Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Farming Simulator 25 on PC and Mac. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Farming Simulator website. That's farmingsimulator.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on Buy Now button. Then choose Farming Simulator 25 from the list and select PC and Mac as your platform. Next, you'll see a different store option like Giant Software, Steam, or Epic Games. If you want to play directly, choose Giant Software. If you prefer using Steam, just click Steam and it will take you right to the store page. Once your purchase is complete, download the installer or open it to your Steam library. Click Install. Wait for the download to finish and that's it. After installation, launch the game and start building your farm. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.